Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a red envelope for Chinese New Year. I'm gonna put a link in the description below because earlier I actually made a template for you guys to use if you don't want to use your own red paper that you guys can print out. So I'll have a link in the description below for the PDF. It'll be on Google Drive, but if you guys want to use the template, I have a little short on how I did that. So in the template, you're obviously going to need scissors and you're going to need glue to put it all together. And it was pretty simple. You just have to fold this piece, and then go ahead and glue right here. And then glue right here as well. And then just fold it over and press so that the glue will adhere. But yeah, so I made this template for you guys to follow if you guys want to try this route. You can go this route as well, and then you'll have a nice blank red envelope that you guys can decorate how you see fit. You can decorate it with symbols that say Happy Chinese New Year, or this symbol that usually pops up all over the place. But either way, you'll have options. This is just going to be the option that I'll cover today. So let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your dollar bills as reference. You want to leave a little bit of space right here so that it'll actually fold over. And you're going to want to make a crease right here. And make sure that these line up. Go ahead and make the crease. Make it as straight as you possibly can. And it's okay if you don't crease it all the way, this part's gonna get cut. But you just wanna make sure that whenever it's folded, it covers like half of the bill, kind of. And with this part, you're going to want to fold it over and make the crease where the other edge of the dollar bill is. And just make sure that these edges meet. So you can see that crease right there. So next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to crease it probably, I'd say about, you want to give it a little bit of room so that you can actually glue that other side. I would say crease it about right here so that it overlaps. Okay, so here's the creases that we got going on. You've got a crease right here, and a crease right here. You're gonna wanna cut right here. So let's just refold that and make the crease from one end to the other. And this part is going to be cut off completely. So here we go. So here's this piece, we don't need it anymore. And then the next bit that we're gonna need to do is we're going to need to, so there's about where the dollar bill is going to be. So you're gonna leave a little bit of that edge right there. And then you're going to cut somewhere along right here. So about, I'd say about right there should be fine. And then same thing here, you're just gonna make a cut. Okay, so you're not gonna need this piece anymore. And then the next part is there were two slits right here that you gotta trim off. So whenever you open it up, it looks like this. So what you're gonna do is you're going to leave a little bit of space. So it'll be, this part needs to come off and this part needs to come off as well. And then, just to make sure that it's easier to fold and glue, you're gonna need to trim 2 triangular slits as well, right here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to fold this part in and then fold this part up, then fold this part down, and there's that part of the envelope. That's going to be the top part of where the envelope is. So you want to make 2 slits right here where the creases are, just above where it'll meet the dollar bill. And then you want to take this part, fold it, this part, and also fold. And then these parts are going to come off. So no more of this piece and no more of this piece. So now this is going to be the top part of the envelope, and usually what I like to do is I kind of like to round out the pieces a little bit to make it look a little bit more presentable. Round it out like that. Okay, so then here's where the assembly goes in. There's your bill. You want to glue it in these areas. So you want to make sure that this part is completely glued. Obviously try not to glue the dollar bill. So there's that flap. That part's completely got glue on it, and then you're going to fold it over that part. And then you just want to make sure where it's at right here. Glue it about right here. Goes going here. So the glue is going to be on that flap and that flap as well. Go ahead and press that down. You just need to fold this part down. And there you have it, your own Chinese New Year red envelope. And you can add your own designs on the front. You can decorate it however you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys have a safe and prosperous Happy New Year. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more content, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for more videos and content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.